What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing this BMW M3 E46 from the Car Culture Hot Wheels Premium. So I'm very excited for this one because this is my favorite premium that came in this set. There's some nice ones in this set though. But yeah, I was lucky enough to find two of these at Target late at night. And then along with that, we got a G-Case with the G-Case Treasure Hunt. And the Gas Monkey Garage was already gone. But yeah, let's get this open. So I was super excited to find this because as we were walking into the doors of Target, I said to myself, will we find it here? And luckily we did. So here it is. It's plastic, and the front looks amazing. They did a great job. They marked it perfectly. The wheels are amazing design. Like, whoever designed this did a great job. They picked out good wheels, good color, and the back looks really good also. We'll throw it on the turntable for you guys, and we'll give you some close-up looks, and then we'll show you a couple other cars that has to do with this set. So let's go do that. Alright guys, there's it on the turntable. I hope you guys were able to see it pretty well. It is definitely an amazing car. They did a great job on it. But here is another one of this set, the Lamborghini Urus. I don't think I'm going to open this. It doesn't really, it's not something for me. I don't like it that much. I don't like it enough to open it. So this is definitely one that I'm going to sell to another collector. Or I'm going to start doing whatnot live streams. So guys, if you're watching the video right now, comment down below if you would do the whatnot live stream so that you could bid on this stuff. But yeah, we got this one, and then we have the Alpine A10, which is very beautiful. I might open that one also soon. Also, comment down below, do you want to see me open up the Alpine A110, because it is a great car. Then we have this 2016 Subaru WRX STI that I will be opening soon. So watch out for that, because that'll be on the channel. And then I have this almost entire Speed Machine set. I'm only missing the Ford GT, and then I'm probably I'm trying to get the entire set. This was something my dad picked up, and he thought it was a good idea to get the entire set. So there's that. And then I have two of these because I thought there was more there. But I have two of these here, the S13 Team Transports, because one of them I'm going to open for you guys, and the other one I'm probably going to trade either to the diecast shop or to a friend or something. But yeah, this is definitely a great Team Transport set. Really nice premium car inside. That S13 looks super good with that nice golden wheels. The entire design was very well made. And how it matches the truck so well. But yeah, that's an update on some premiums. But also, I don't know if I'll upload it before or after this video, but either way, I probably should be able to upload it before this video is out. Go check it out. It's the Target, well, not just Target, but Target and Walmart run that we made to pick this stuff up. It was a really great video. We found some really nice stuff there. Some chase pieces, a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of this really well done BMW. Like, subscribe. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I am monetized now, so it'll be easier for me to make these videos for you guys, and I'll be upgrading my content. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.